Hello everyone, this is Prashant. Welcome to my channel. So, in long time we didn't take any video. This series is wonderful series. So many people asked for this series. So this is a playwright with a TypeScript. Okay. So the best combination of automation testing is for Selenium we have a Selenium Java and Selenium Python. Both are good combinations. For the playwright, what is the best language for the combination is TypeScript, because both playwright and TypeScript was developed by Microsoft. So they are thinking also very good. Like for the current modern websites, whom are working on startups level or someone else want to work on very fastest websites or more latest websites designs, playwright and TypeScript was two good best combinations. Okay, and it's very easy also for learning as well as for coding, configuration level, running levels, and for debugging. Both are very good combinations. One with the way of handling the networks, mocking the websites, and any pages handling. All the things are very easier. Okay, even a playwright provides you the play and record. So sometimes if you are not able to find the web elements means we can use the play record. I use a couple of times. So simply I will start the play, click on all the actions, take that code, all the locators code from there, and I will paste in my actual script, and I will complete the script as soon as possible. Okay, so it hardly takes 10 minutes for the entire test script to create. So that how the playwright is easy for us. Okay, so in the series, the 10-day series, I'm not going to teach you TypeScript at all. Okay, so I will teach you TypeScript wherever required for our automation series. So we don't want to spend or waste time like 5 days TypeScript, then go to playwright unnecessary. From the day one, we directly jump onto the installation, all the stuffs needed. We'll start the testings. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so this is the playwright website, playwright.dev. So in this, if you click on start documents, it will take you the what are the installations we want to do, and so what are the things we need to install. So those things are similar only. Okay, so I'm going to follow the Node.js only, because TypeScript also it will work on npm. Okay, so I will follow the npm only. So I will you don't need to worry. I will tell you what are the comments needed, and as well as in the description below the video I will give you all the comments what time today I am putting here. You follow the same thing. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, and the editor is I'm going to use the CodeLLM editor. Okay, so this is similarly the VS Code, but this is integrated with the AI. Okay, I will show you how this is helpful, like in next generation of automation, or because we need a editor itself more smarter. So we don't want to go to browser every time, copy there, and handling here, maintenance, code checking, and all it will do from our manual checking. But this CodeLLM is one of a VS Code based editor. Okay, so this is integrated with the AI. So they are adding so many features right now in the market, but this right now it's a paid version. But you don't want to worry about it. If you don't want to pay means you can use simply VS Code. But in your company in future that someone has asked, tell me an editor like with this AI integrated, we can purchase also. This is only $10. So company, if want, you can ask the company to purchase one editor for you, one account. Then you can use this editor. It's more useful. Nowadays I'm using this one because what you'll do means what we were using chat gpt and all, right? So in the editor itself we have everything. Okay, and I hear about it, these people going to bring the certain there's another word called cursor. Okay, so these people have so many features of the same thing with a lesser cost. Okay, so first thing is, let me open the, you can simply click on dart and create an account, you will get download. So like you see this is exactly look like a VS Code, but this is a code editor. In the right side, see this, you have all the OpenAI Mini, or like GPT Mini, GPT-o1, CodeLLM, Cloudy. So we have all the things. So in the chatbot, you can simply go and ask your things, and it will give you all the codes. You can simply copy paste it here. Okay. So next thing is, for the first thing is we want to create a new folder for our project. Okay. So let's create a new folder. So in the documents, I'm going to create a new folder. So this is folder I'm like playwright _ts TypeScript tutorial. Okay, simply create a folder. I'm opening the folder, so you guys can see this is the empty folder with nothing is in there. Okay, so this is the empty folder, it's only the welcome screen. Okay, so in this I'm going to get a new terminal, or like opening a new terminal. Okay, first thing is, before that, everyone should download node, like Node.js. Like people who are following me in my channel, so already you guys have this Node.js. Otherwise, what you can simply you go to for Mac. I'm getting the Mac installed, right? So you will simply go to the like website. You can simply download the node. Okay, and so to verify your node is there in the system means you can simply type node hyphen v bash npm hyphen version. See this? So I'm not using a Dash screen, I'm using a bash. So I have a npm of 10.10 version. So if we take the latest one, would have something different. Okay, see this, same 10.9 version is the latest of npm. Okay, so if you download the node means automatically npm will come. So npm is the node package manager, so it will use for downloading all the node libraries. Okay, so now I verified I have a node in my system. Okay, next, first thing is we already created a driver folder. Now we want to install so first I want to tell this folder is a npm folder. Okay, so for that I want to tell init -y. Okay, so what we'll do, see this, it is created a package.json file. So this package.json file only, it will add our like if you're using Java means you would have pom.xml file. Same thing, package.json is same kind of file, so it will have all the things in it. Okay, so another thing is one, that means this project is comes under npm project. I mean this location. Okay, our documents under my folder. Next, I want to install the npm init. Okay, so I want to install @ so let's see this. So I started installing, so it will take some time. See this, in the dependencies we added the playwright because that is the latest version the playwright has right now. Okay, so whenever you updating anything or installing anything, your package.json file under the dependencies, those things will be added. Suppose in future you want to change the version, you can change it here, that's enough. And whomever taking this repo, or like in the end of a video, I'm going like in the end of the series, I'm going to upload all this code in the GitHub. When you are downloading this file, you want to type npm install. So what will do, the npm install will go and read this dependencies, what are things we installing I ask. So those things will be installed in your local system. So that's it. Okay, so next we want save dev. So don't worry, I will give this command in the description. Okay, so it takes time, it's installing in a system. Something is 404 and I missed, yes, here types. Okay, see this, previously I missed the types command. So see this, now in the dev dependencies I installed the types node, what version does, and ts node and TypeScript. So these are the three things which is required for the ts. Okay, so now we all set. Okay, so this is the basic things we need to install for the playwright plus TypeScript installations. Next, we need to initiate our playwright. So what this will do, this will install all the necessary things for playwright. Okay, so actually these are the things, like I'm having a different versions. This is like this kind of warnings will come. So warnings you can ignore right now. Okay, right now is all set for ourselves. So this node has all the playwright and everything. It will install in the node modules. So you don't need to change anything on this node modules. Keep app as it is. Okay, so whenever you done any npm installs, those things will come and store in the node modules. So now I'm going to get a new file. Okay, so this is the root file. Okay, so what the use of this root file is, so basic playwright configurations. in this file I'm going to name it as playwright. So playwright will understand this config. Okay, config.ts. So when you learn Python, there is a Python like init file will .in file we will use. So those kind of things are predefined configuration files. So where that framework will understand. In the Python playwright framework, we need to use the playwright.config.ts. So this is the TS file as well as the playwright configuration file. So here I don't any mistake. I will just save it and close it. I don't want to touch the packaging again. So in this package, this is a root file. So I'm going to import. So in the import, I am going to import the default config. Okay, define config. So this, see this, how the editor is working smartly. I type only def. I didn't do anything. So automatically this came, right? And why it is in blur mode? Because I didn't use it yet. Okay, and it, see the next line, the code automatically came. Why I'm telling this editor is too cool means your work will be reduced 100 instead to 10. Okay, so I just type export, or if you type tab also, it will complete that entire code. Default, and I'm defining, see this. So if I tab means the code will be completed. Okay, so in this bracket only we are remaining things we are going to use it. Okay, so first is use. So what this use is? Use is a common thing. Okay, so I'm going to put a tab. See this, I didn't do anything with a tab. So I am defining, see this headless, you are true. If I give him false, some person asked me in the before one videos, my browser is running headless mode. Why? Because defaultly headless should be in true mode. So that's why your code will run a headless mode. So if you want to not headless mode means simply put a false. Okay, so that means right now headless mode is off, and this viewport is your resolution. So how much screen you want. Suppose you working on Windows means your customer has certain resolution means follow that one. Okay, so this is ignoring the other things. Videos on the first try. So I don't want the video also. Okay, this is a use is a common thing, but you can do in the common automation frameworks. Some people run on Firefox, some company will run Chrome, someone will use Edge, Safari, like that. Okay, in the use you will use the common thing, and next one is the project. So in the project you want to tell project, I have a couple of projects. One project is, see this, I didn't do anything. My editor is giving a session. I typing a tab. So what are things? There are three things is auto came. What are three things? For the name Chromium, it is using the what browser name? It is using the browser as this one. See this? For the Firefox, it is taking the browser as Firefox. How cool, no? Okay. So suppose in general companies we will use the URLs generally. So we will store the URL here only. So I'm going to tell base URL equal to, let's take any website for today's random testing. Let's take Orange HRM demo website. So it's a demo website. So we'll take this as our testing website. Okay, so I'm going to give, okay, that's it. So this base URL is browser will launch from this URL only. So in a common place you can test it. In companies we will use what, sometimes we will run on stage environment, testing environment, prod environment, dev environment, those something. So best thing things you will change the URLs. Okay, so that will be, we will parameterized those. Okay, I don't do those things. You just see in project the name is Chromium. So if I call the Chromium means it will it will run on the Chromium process. Suppose if you want run Chromium in different viewport means, this project means this is the common use case, but this is a specific cases. Specific case means suppose you want to differentiate your this Chromium project, you want a name also, you can define it like this. For now I just put as a Chrome. So name you can give anything, but this should be common. because browser names, if it is Chromium means it's run the Chrome, Firefox means run the Firefox. Okay, cool, right? So I hope you guys understand this basic things. Let's create one basic test for today. Okay, so this is, I will test like a this is what to say, login, some testing. Spec is the common keyword you want to use in the playwright. This one all Mocha's framework structure and the playwright. Spec means it will consider as a test case. Spec dot and ts indicates a TypeScript. Okay, the extension for TypeScript is .ts. Okay, enter. So in this, right now we have a one dummy page. Okay, so in this page I'm going to type directly I'm typing a test. So test like in test engine we have a test, right? It's like a test is the keyword. So in the mocha you want to follow. So in this is I'm login, verify, login. So this is some description of the test case name, and after that I want to async this one because all the test case should be async page. Okay, so this where this page is coming is the page is coming from the playwright. Okay, so I will tell you those things, don't worry. I will import autocomplete is giving more smarter test. Okay, so this is the arrow key to indicates that as a arrow function. That's it, right? Everything else goes off. So already we went to URL. So right now I don't want to go to the like this, the base URL is running, but what I want to do means in this page dot go to. So in this you can ask what we need to go to means like simply put a slash because empty already the base URL is coming from there. So here you want to go to the same URL, we are not doing anything, and this is a load set wait. So this is what this means. We will use import waiting in the Selenium, like that is it will wait for all the elements to load. Similarly, the wait for load set is this is for entire page to load. So that kind of wait is this one, and this wait, this is the wait keyword, and in the page we want to write. So what is the good of the editor is it will give you keep on giving all the things. Okay, so now. So I'm going to verify expect. So expect is the verification statement. See this? It gives some example expect. So this is expect is where is coming from. So I'm giving this expect here. Okay, it's also coming from the playwright test. So expect is the assertion. So in test engine we will use assertion, right? Similarly here we have expect. So expect, and I'm taking the title, and the title should be example title. So how to get a title of this page? Inspect. If you go to inspect head, in the head somewhere I see this title is orange HRM. So that's the title of this page. So I'm giving that as the expected result. Okay, cool, right? Any doubt after this one? So here I'm going to the page what I stated before. Okay, so after that it will wait for all the things loading on the page. After that it will do the assertion as verifying the title of the page should be. So to be is a verification. Okay, so this value to be this, like that. Okay, so playwright has super duper all the shortcuts. Okay, now I want to run the script. So I want to run the script, that means as usual npx run. So first time we are running playwright test. So first time we are running, that is why using playwright test. I want to specify the project. So you guys can tell or which project we want. So I can run the Chrome project because I want to run on the Chrome. It's a Chrome. Suppose you want to run the Firefox means you can use Firefox. Okay. Click on enter. See this, my Chrome browser is launched. So it's going to very fast here. So it does not. So it says like failed done, very failed. Okay, so there is a way to I don't want to code this. I'm commenting this line and running again. So it's not giving attention much to this one or what. Let's see why this is happening. Should go. So wait a second. So I will add a wait here. So this waits until that things will go serve. Let's see. Running the command again. So it waits until see this. So I missed that wait statement. That's it. So right now the test case got passed. You guys see, right? Okay. So I missed that wait statement. So what it means, it does like that wait is enough to player has the default wait setup, so you don't need to put any wait. So that is very smarter. Okay, so use a wait statement before. Okay, so in next videos we will see all the playwright concepts from framework design, basic of locators, frames, how to handle the alerts, forms, everything. Then we finally see the how to create a framework using TypeScript, playwright, and folder structure. How to we can implement the page object model in this one, and this is 10 days series only, very short and sweet. We will in 10 days you will become pro using playwright TypeScript. If not, you put in a scolding message in the comment. I will try to solve that one. And if any topics need to cover while doing this series, if you are following the this one, put in the comment. I will add it in the 11th hour. If I can add it in the middle of series as well, if it is required. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like the video, please put a like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.